Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of UNO. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we go to UNO app and we click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. And then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your